Hi chomps, welcome to Chomps Brigade. Today we will discuss some of the questions on LCM and HCF. And in the last class we discussed the concept of LCM, HCF. Okay. And before starting the session, I suggest you to the students, please while solving the problem, go through the problem exactly and apply your brain and please involve with the problem. Okay, don't by heart anything and don't do as a hurry. Okay, please be careful. So first question, what are the multiples of the number 10? You know the multiples of 10 are 10. 10 multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. Okay, so what is the answer here? This is the answer. Okay, this 15 and 25 are not present, are not multiple of a 10. Then how to find the multiple is I explained in the previous class. Okay, so here the second question is, what are the common multiples of the numbers 8 and 12? So the multiples of 8 are 8, 24, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. And the multiples of number 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. So just what is the common? So the common multiples of the numbers 8 and 12. So this 24 is the common. Okay, so this is the 48 is the common, and see here 72 is the common. Okay, 48 comma 72. So this is the right answer for this question. Okay, next, what is the LCM of numbers 4 and 7? 4, 7 LCM. So 2 2 ja 4, 7 will not go, so 7 will come back. 2 1 ja 7. So 7 1 1. So multiply 2 into 7. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. So this 28 is the right answer for this question. Next, what is the LCM of numbers 3, 12 and 18? Solve as like above problem. 3, 12, 18. First with the 2. 2, 3. So 3 won't go. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18. Then 2, 3 here, then 3, then 9. Then 3 1 ja 1 ja 3 3 ja, then 3 1 1 1. So just multiply these numbers. 2 2 3 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. 36 is the correct answer. Clear? So next problem is, which of the following answer is not common multiple of the 5, 10, 15? So first write the common multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Clear? Next write the multiple for number 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. Okay, next write the multiple of numbers for 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and so on. Okay, so here I asked here not common multiple. First we will find what is the common multiple. Here 30 is there in 5, 30 is there in 10, 30 is there in 30. So this 30 is the common, 30 is there common in these three. And so this is not the perfect answer, but I asked here not common multiple. So here 20 is a not common multiple. Why? Because 20 is present in 5 and 10. So 20 is one of the answer. Then see here 40 is present here and 40 is present here, but not in the 15. So this is also one of the answer. So wantedly I given this question to check the students how they are thinking. Okay. So the next question is, what are the factors of number 12? So please write the factors of number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6, 12. So what is the answer? Answer is here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the part of a factors of number 12. Perfect. And the next question is, what is the HCF of number 3, 6 and 9? So first write the factors of 3. What are the factors of 3? 1, 3. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. For 9, 1, 3 and 9. So what are first find the common. This is sorry. So the common is 1 is the common, and again 3 is the common. So which is the highest? Which is the highest? 3 is highest factor. So what is the answer? Answer is the 3. Next, which of the following number is least common factor for numbers 10 and 12? Okay. So for 10 and 12, which is the least common? First write the common factor. First write the factor of number 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. For 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So what is the common factors? What are the common factors? 1 and 2 only. So then which is the least common factor? Is 1 only. So that is why 1 is the answer. 2 is not the answer. And the most of the students are failed to answer this question. Okay, clear. Now we will check with the all, means whether we solve all the questions or not. Just I am checking. So we did this question is over. No, we didn't do this one. So now next we will do this question. What are the common factors of the number 6, 8 and 10? So first write the factors of a 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. For 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. For next write for the 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Which is the common? Common is the 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Clear? And next, so here what is the HCF of numbers 12 and 18? So while finding HCF, just write highest number inside the bracket. 12 is the least outside the bracket. 12 1 ja 12. What is the remainder here? 6. This 12 will come here again in the bracket. So 6 2 ja 12. The remainder is 0. So then this 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. Clear? Next question. This is also completed. This is also completed. And then yes, this is also we did. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.